everyone and welcome to another tutorial here on the Home Away from YouTube channel. I am Disney Magic Zach and you're here on the Home Away from YouTube channel. Welcome. Just before we begin, I want to just shout out the Discord. So if you are interested in joining the Discord, the link is down below for you in case you do want to come and join some like-minded creators. To share your videos, chat, have a good time, share some expertise with yourself, gain some new insight, some new knowledge on how to be successful on the platform and get some ideas and things like that. Now, for today's tutorial, I am going to show you how I personally make a thumbnail. I use a tool called Canva and it is free. It is an online website. As you can see here on the side, we have plenty of various kind of like templates and things like that. Why does that look like Woodward? Yeah, so we've got a lot of stuff here like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the thumbnail for this video, and that can go onto here, and that can be the little thing here. So obviously we're doing tutorial, so I want to see just see what we've got here. Let's have a look. Let's just see what we've got, and we can kind of like go from there. Okay. So this one's kind of pulling my interest here. But obviously we're gonna adjust that. We're gonna change it. We're gonna do what we need to do. First off, we're gonna get rid of this man because we don't know who that is. Steve can go away. Okay. I mean, ideally what I want to do is I want to take away this. Oh, no, maybe not. Maybe just, oh, can I not just take the box? No. Oh, that's okay. That's what it is. Okay, so let's type in here thumbnails. Oh, that is not what that says. Alright, let's get rid of that one. What I want to do is I want to change the background a little bit, so I'm going to get rid of all these little things here. And I'm going to just use these here, these tools that I've got. I'm going to put that in the middle there, make it a little bit bigger. Now I always try and make sure it's center, because that is important. Alright, let's see here, what have we got? Let's go to elements, and let's type in thumbnail. Oh, okay, that's, well, I mean, that could be cool actually. Okay, that looks like it's sticking that on. I like that. Let's position that to the front there. There we go. This kind of gives me an idea of actually. I'm might want to do is no. We'll put that there like that. And now what I kind of want to do actually is I want to look at getting a cork board or a notice board, because that idea kind of gave me an idea, which is pretty cool. I like seeing these. So when I make a thumbnail, ideally I like to go with a basic idea and then just see where it takes me. And honestly, just kind of like just roll the dice with it a little bit, and just try and work through and just see what works. And if I feel like it works, then I usually put it on. I usually do it. But yeah, there's not really a whole lot to it, to be fair. It's more so just finding what works for you, making sure it's applicable to the actual video you're creating. And yeah, that's really all I can say about it, to be fair. Why can't I find a cork board? So these little crowns here means it's pro. I don't pay for the pro. I mean, you can do if you want, but like it's not really necessary. So okay, I kind of like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this background away. I'm going to just make this a big old background here. And then I'm going to put that all the way to the back. And then I can start moving these little ones up here like this. Kind of like that. So it looks like it is attached there. And then what I'll try and do, really, what I'll tend to do is I will try and add some of my own files as well. So things that are appropriate to the video that I'm making. I'm just going to use some of my own thumbnails from the past here and just stick them on. Let's see. There you go. Let's do. Which one do I want to do? Maybe I could do one of each. Right, let's do that one, and then let's do a podcast one as well. I went past it. Let's do that one. There we go. So what I do now is just kind of make it a little bit smaller so it looks like it's, you know, stuck on there. But maybe give it a bit of a twist. But it's, oh, wait. There we go. Perfect, there we go. There we go. And then I will tend to, if I need to, copy this. You know, copy one of the things here. Just Control C it, Control V it. There we go, that's a nice little one there. There we go. And then, let's get this one on. think we start putting that one there a little bit like that. Control C, Control V that. And there we go. We have a somewhat appropriate thumbnail here. So yeah. Now there are different ways, and this is probably one of the easier ways to make a thumbnail. But I've used this for a while now, and it does the trick. It works. So you know, why change what's broken? You know what I mean? If you guys do want to give Canva a go, or you have done, let us know down in the comments. What is your go-to tips and tricks for Canva? These are some of mine. I like something simple, something that conveys a message, and then once you're done, you can just give it a little tippy tap, a little bit of a save, download there as a PNG, and bish bash bosh, Bob's your uncle, all sorted, saved to your drive. But yeah, let us know what you think. Do you think this is, is this something you use? It's something you're looking at using? And yeah, thank you so much for checking out this little video here. Be sure to come join the Discord. Link is down below for you, and be sure to go and check out the rest of the videos on here as well. We've got some tutorials, we've got some round tables, we've got a lot here for you guys, and a lot more to come as well in the future. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and stick around for more exciting things on the home away from YouTube channel. And in the meantime, if you want to check out my channel as well, be sure to do so. Disney Magic Zach over on YouTube, where I provide podcasts, I provide Disney content. If that is your kind of area that you're interested in, come and hop over there and have a look. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel and to mine as well if you are interested in some Disney content. And I will catch y'all very soon. Links are all down below to join an amazing Discord server. Come join. And other than that, I will see you all very soon. Peace.